Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a clip suited to the fabric and lapel width. This prevents bunching and slippage. Once chosen, position your tie over the shirt placket and locate the spot between the third and fourth buttons. That's the classic sweet spot. Then, angle the clip so the hinge faces the tie's back. This makes opening and closing easier. As you move into the next step, make sure the tie lie is straight and wrinkle-free, because alignment now determines the finished look. You open the clip with a steady thumb, taking care not to force the hinge, metal fatigues. Next, clamp it so it grips both the tie and the shirt placket. This dual grip keeps the tie stable through movement. Once clamped, study the alignment. Make sure the clip sits vertically centered on the tie and level horizontally across the shirt. If it's slightly off, release and reposition. Small shifts now correct the visual balance and prevent the tie from shifting later. You finalize by pressing the clip closed with a crisp motion, then test it by raising your arm or turning. This simulates real movement. If the tie slips, move the clip slightly closer to the knot for more fabric to grip, or swap to a clip with a firmer jaw. If the clip looks bent or wonky, reshape tiny distortions with small pliers. Gently, overbending will break the hinge. Remember, a correct clip is both functional and discreet, so adjust until it feels secure and looks straight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.